2nd of January. I had a little thing. Yeah, Bank Holiday Monday. Bank Holiday Monday. Yeah. Kids have just had pancakes for breakfast. I've had a coffee. And I'm just doing a little bit of pottering. Ari's got a friend coming around today with her little sister, who's a year younger than Fox. Cake is covered in chocolate because she's just had chocolate spread pancakes. You want to go get dressed, baby? Yeah. Good job. And then I put those pyjamas in the wash, babe. I'll wash them and you can wear them again tonight. She got them for Christmas, so she doesn't want to take them off. So yeah, it's just going to be a nice chilled day. I want to make sure I've got all the kids' stuff ready for school on Wednesday. Jane's coming around tomorrow. I've got to book Foxy in for his preschool jabs. That's insane. Like, oh God. Yeah. So I'm going to do some pottering and some washing and put the washing up away. I maybe get in the garden today. We'll see. What you got?
Can I warm it up?
You've got a star egg. You made this yesterday, didn't you? You've got some little moulds to make them, but you want it a bit warmer?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mummy can heat it up.
How?
I'm not sure. Hey, it's lunchtime. It's like 12:30. Me and the kids have just all had our lunch. Ari's friend is on her way round. I need to tidy up in here because the cats have just trashed the worktop with footprints and stuff. I need to have an organise in here. There's Banana. Say hi. I've just got a simmer pot on the hob. Smells incredible. I've got some rosemary, a star anise, some cinnamon, an orange that Fox like chewed and then spat out, an apple that he didn't want, a bay leaf with our intentions on it. I think that's it. I don't think we've got in this one, but it smells amazing and it's just cleansing the house. I need to take the Hoover apart in a little while. Hi, Jackie. You take the Hoover apart in a little while because neither of the Hoovers is working properly, which is super fun. I'm excited for the little girl who's coming around, her mum to one of my friends. I'm excited to have a coffee with her and a catch up. And yeah, I shall talk to you momentarily. It's been another day of seeing friends, so nothing to tell you. I can't really go anywhere at the minute because of my car. I'm getting it fixed on the 11th, but I can't really go any further than like the school or the shop, so there's not really anywhere. We can't even go anywhere. We might go for a walk tomorrow with Nana though. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You coming too?
Yeah, I'm coming too. We can go see what's happening at the potato woods.
Yeah.
Okay.
Potato.
We're going to take you to the potato woods tomorrow.